Tired of ChatGPT? It's time to break free. Get ready to discover the next AI superstars, ready to take your content to the moon. First up, meet Bard, the wordsmith extraordinaire. This AI whiz can craft poems that'll melt your heart, scripts that'll tickle your funny bone, and code that'll blow your mind. Bard ain't just chat, it's pure creative magic. Need more than a quick quip? Jasper's your AI writing partner in crime. This long-form master can whip up scripts that'll keep your viewers glued, blog posts that'll have them saying wow, and marketing copy that'll convert like crazy. Jasper's got the chops to take your channel to the next level. Finally, don't forget Writer, the king of catchy. This AI ace can generate headlines that'll grab attention faster than a cat video, product descriptions that'll have viewers reaching for their wallets, and social media captions that'll spark a viral storm. Writer's got the magic touch to make your content pop. So use these alternatives and embrace the AI evolution with Bard, Jasper, and Writer instead of ChatGPT. I hope this video helps you. Let me know if you have any other questions. Comment if you need brief video. Until then, bye. Yours, Pravi.